Technology keeps changing and employees need to keep doing the catch-up game. And at KPIT, they don't need to do the catch-up game.
Many of our leaders, they have a very strategic intent of working with the engineers on the floor to develop competencies at multiple levels. One we call as the technology training, the second the domain, the third the process and project management, the fourth one the leadership development.
Fresh graduates to come into KPIT, we run 3 initiatives. The first initiative is Program for Academic Collaboration and Engagement. This happens while they are in the college, right? They're still on the college premises. Now, after they've graduated out of the college and there still is a gap time before they come join KPIT, and we still continue to engage with them, right? So to ensure that they are still up to speed and then they're really excited about the world of automotive and mobility. And lastly, we have Genesis, which is a very structured program at KPIT premises for 2 months, which goes through all the needs and necessities of the project, right? Giving them a very strong foundation.
The second initiative that is very popular is our collaboration with Coventry University of UK. Most of our employees want to acquire higher qualification while they continue to work for us. This is a program which is jointly co-designed, co-developed and co-delivered with faculty members of Coventry University. And the third category of training that we do is for continuous education.
Daily Training Initiative is a program which helps employees to improve in their current skills and the competency to perform better in their project and the current role.
The fourth category of training that we do, which is more on leadership development. When people become managers for the first time, we have a program called GYM, which is grooming young managers. And the second category of training called Bloom, which is building leaders out of managers, which is to make them lead a team of people. And finally, of course, to prepare them to become business unit leads and so on and so forth.
We have invested in digital infrastructure, which is helping us deliver the education programs across the globe, and that too virtually.
Recently, we have entered into a very strategic collaboration with Udacity, through which we are offering nano degree programs in the area of self-driving cars.
In fact, you'll be surprised to know the fact that many of the customers have come back to us and then they want us to replicate the entire learning model that we have implemented at KPIT.
Every day is an adventure here in KPIT, where we have freedom to do whatever we want, to research and to learn.
KPIT gave me the chance to work here as a working student during my studies in computer science. And in the last 6 months, they gave me the chance to do my master's thesis abroad in Detroit, in the US.
And here they tap your potential and they would tell that what you are good at, how you can explore without any boundaries or limits.